Hello, my friends. Today, I want to talk to you about something that holds immense power in your life, your mindset. The way you think, the beliefs you carry, and the assumptions you accept shape your reality more than you might realize. Your mind is not just a tool, it's the architect of your world. If you learn how to develop a mindset that can rise above challenges and overcome anything, you will transform your entire life. The first step to developing an undefeatable mindset is understanding that circumstances do not define you, your perception of them does. Most people allow the world outside of them to dictate how they feel. If something goes wrong, they assume they are unlucky or that life is against them. But let me tell you this, the world is a mirror, reflecting back the state of your mind. When you accept that everything begins within you, you take control of your experience. You must train your mind to see opportunities where others see obstacles. This is not about pretending challenges don't exist, it's about reframing them. Every problem you face is an invitation to grow, a chance to prove to yourself that you are stronger than the circumstances around you. Instead of thinking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask yourself, "What is this teaching me?" The moment you shift from victimhood to mastery, you unlock a power that nothing in the external world can defeat. Discipline is essential. A strong mindset is not built overnight, it's cultivated through daily practice. This requires consistency, focus, and the willingness to let go of habits that no longer serve you. Begin with small steps. Each morning, decide what kind of person you want to be. Visualize yourself handling the day's challenges with strength and calmness. Do this before you even get out of bed. This simple habit sets the tone for your day and aligns your mind with resilience and determination. Affirmations are another powerful tool to shape your mindset. Speak words that reflect the reality you want to create. If you find yourself doubting your abilities, replace those thoughts with affirmations of confidence and strength. Say to yourself, "I am capable. I am resilient. I overcome challenges with grace." These words, when repeated often enough, sink into your subconscious mind and begin to shape your beliefs. And remember, your beliefs dictate your actions, and your actions shape your reality. You must also guard the inputs to your mind. Pay attention to what you read, what you listen to, and the people you surround yourself with. Negative influences can poison your mindset, no matter how strong you think you are. Surround yourself with positivity, with ideas, words, and people who uplift you and remind you of your potential. When you consistently feed your mind with empowering thoughts, it becomes nearly impossible for fear or doubt to take root. Another vital aspect of developing an undefeatable mindset is understanding the power of imagination. Imagination is not just a tool for creativity, it's the engine of your reality. What you imagine and feel deeply within becomes the blueprint for your experiences. When you face a challenge, close your eyes and imagine yourself overcoming it. See yourself already victorious, already thriving. This is not mere wishful thinking, it's an act of creation. The mind, when focused, can move mountains. Patience is a virtue you cannot ignore. A strong mindset does not demand immediate results, it trusts the process. There will be moments when it feels like your efforts are in vain, like nothing is changing. In these moments, remember this, growth is often invisible before it becomes obvious. Trust that every step you take, no matter how small, is moving you closer to becoming the person you need to be. Let's talk about fear. Fear is often the greatest obstacle to an undefeatable mindset. It whispers lies to you, telling you that you're not good enough or that failure is inevitable. But fear only has the power you give it. Instead of running from fear, face it. Acknowledge it, but don't let it paralyze you. Every time you act in spite of fear, you weaken its grip on your life. Courage is not the absence of fear, it is the decision to move forward anyway. Gratitude is another cornerstone of a powerful mindset. When you focus on what you have instead of what you lack, you shift your energy. Gratitude opens your eyes to the abundance around you and helps you attract even more of it. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. This simple practice rewires your brain to see the good in every situation, making it easier to face challenges with a sense of hope and determination. To cultivate a mindset that can conquer anything, it's crucial to understand the role of focus. Where your attention goes, energy flows. If you fixate on obstacles, you magnify them. If you focus on solutions, you empower yourself to overcome challenges. Train yourself to direct your thoughts toward possibilities, not problems. This takes practice, but the results are worth it. Think of your mind as a muscle. Consistent effort strengthens it. Set small mental goals daily, like finding one positive aspect in every difficult situation. Over time, this becomes second nature, and your focus shifts from setbacks to opportunities. Another essential factor is persistence. Too often, people give up when success is just around the corner. Life tests your resolve. When the going gets tough, ask yourself, how badly do I want this? True strength lies in continuing to move forward, even when progress feels slow or invisible. This persistence not only sharpens your mental resilience but also signals to your subconscious mind that you're serious about achieving your goals. The more you persist, the more aligned you become with the outcomes you desire. Let's talk about adaptability. Life is unpredictable, and rigid thinking can be a hindrance. An undefeatable mindset is one that adapts quickly to change. Flexibility doesn't mean compromising on your goals, it means finding new paths to achieve them. When a door closes, don't waste energy lamenting it. Look for the window that's opening instead. Adaptability allows you to stay focused while remaining open to unexpected opportunities that might lead you further than you imagined. Courage is another cornerstone of an unstoppable mindset. Courage isn't just about facing fear, it's about standing firm in your convictions even when others doubt you. It's about taking risks, knowing that failure is a stepping stone to success. Courage fuels progress, and each act of bravery reinforces your belief in yourself. The more you practice courage, the more natural it becomes, until fear no longer holds power over you. Equally important is fostering a mindset of abundance. Scarcity thinking, believing there isn't enough success, love, or opportunity to go around, breeds insecurity and competition. Abundance thinking, on the other hand, acknowledges that there is plenty for everyone. It's not about pretending resources are infinite but about trusting that life has enough opportunities for those who seek them. When you adopt this perspective, you're less likely to feel threatened by others' successes and more inclined to collaborate and grow. Now, let's address self-talk. The way you speak to yourself matters more than anything else. If your inner dialogue is harsh or self-critical, you will struggle to build a resilient mindset. Speak to yourself as you would to a dear friend, with kindness, encouragement, and understanding. When you make a mistake, don't berate yourself. Instead, remind yourself that mistakes are part of growth and that every misstep is an opportunity to learn. And, never underestimate the importance of rest and reflection. A strong mind requires balance. Take time to step back, to quiet your thoughts, and to reconnect with your inner self. Meditation, journaling, or simply sitting in silence can help you process your experiences and gain clarity. When your mind is calm and centered, it becomes a fortress that no challenge can penetrate. Remember, your mindset is your greatest weapon. It determines whether you rise or fall, succeed or fail. Start today, right now, by committing to nurturing your mind. Build habits that strengthen it, beliefs that empower it, and a vision that inspires it. With a mindset like this, there is nothing you cannot overcome. Your mind is a tool of immense power. It can lift you out of despair or keep you trapped in limitation. The choice is yours, and it starts with how you respond to life's challenges. It's not enough to wish for a better life, you must cultivate the mental habits that make it possible. Remember, every great achievement begins with a single thought, nurtured and acted upon consistently. Now, I'd like to take a moment to invite you to become part of this ongoing conversation about the mind's potential. If you found value in today's discussion, don't keep it to yourself. Click that like button. It not only supports this message but also helps others discover it. If this resonated with you, hit subscribe so you won't miss the insights we share here regularly. Share this video with someone who could benefit from developing a stronger mindset. Your engagement matters, and I deeply appreciate your presence here. Let's keep this momentum going. Take a moment to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your journey and the strategies that have worked for you. Together, we can inspire one another to reach greater heights. And if you haven't already, consider turning on notifications so you'll know when the next video drops. Before we end, here's my final question: reflect on what you've learned today and put it into practice. Learning is only valuable when it leads to action. If you're ready to take the next step, show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Let's make this a space where growth and transformation thrive.